Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Florafit Soap Productions. This video is a continuation of how to make the quality soap you have been longing for. The secret behind good quality and affordable liquid soap. I took my time to explain, and step by step we are showed too. So take your time and watch the video. If this is your first time of watching our video, kindly watch and subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell. Whenever we upload new videos, you'll be notified. Thank you. Look at my nitro soap now. It has become thick due to I have been turning it more than 20 minutes. I'm going to pour in the caustic soda. After putting the caustic soda, it still maintains the thickness. The next chemical I'm going to pour now is a soda ash. I'm going to turn the soda ash into the nitro soda and caustic soda that I've turned. This one is going to be more thicker than before. I think you can see that is soda ash. See how thick it is. I'm going to pour now is a SLS rice. I'm going to pour the STPP, and I will show you the result from the STPP as well. To turn in the STPP, this is the STPP. All the chemical must be mixed with water. And I'm going to do now is that I'm going to get another bowl. I'm going to mix my tesapon with a sulfonic acid together. This is the tesapon that I'm going to mix with a sulfonic. This is the sulfonic acid. So I'm going to mix the two together. Pour the tesapon. I've poured the tesapon into a bowl. Now I'm going to put the sulfonic and mix it thoroughly. I want you to see the outcome. After the turning, pour the tesapon with sulfonic inside the milk chemical we have been turning since. If there is a cause for you to touch the chemical, get a thick glove. I want to clean up the tesapon with a sulfonic that I mixed together from the small bowl to the bigger one. I want to clean it up. Can you see the outcome from the chemical we have been using since? Can you see the outcome? Can you see the outcome? After pouring the tesapon and the sulfonic into the mixed chemical we have been mixed since. After this one, I'm going to add color, then my perf. But make sure you started good like I did mine. If that is my liquid soap, I put a orange color. That is the color of my soap. It came out good and look nice. Can you see? This is orange color, and I used orange perf. I think you like it, and it's foamy.